Hello guys, so this is Layla, my 10-year-old daughter. Say hello, Layla.
Hello.
You've been on the videos before, haven't you?
Yeah.
And what are we doing tonight, Layla?
Sleeping in the RV.
We're going to sleep in the RV. Where are we going to sleep in the RV? Where?
In bed.
Well, clearly in the beds, you numpty. Where's the RV going to be?
In the front garden.
It's going to be on the front garden. That's going to be a little adventure, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll start to get it ready for tonight then, yeah?
Yeah.
Looking forward to it?
Yeah.
And me. Okay.
Popcorn and a movie first.
Popcorn and a movie.
In the RV.
Sammy said, in the RV.
Mm-hmm.
Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Okay. So we're in the motorhome. Gonna have the night in here, yeah?
Yeah.
Where's your bed?
There.
You're sleeping up there, are you?
Hmm?
Sleeping up there?
Yeah.
Looking forward to it?
Yeah.
Cool. Go on then, show us your bed. Let's have a look. Show the viewers where you're going to be. Let's have a close-up look, shall we? So you're sleeping at that end, are you?
Yeah. So then I can see the TV.
So you can see the TV. Yeah, we've got the TV down here, haven't we, for now? Yeah, that's looking good up here, isn't it?
Yeah.
You got plenty of room up here, haven't you? I think I need to swap with you.
Nope.
Where's Shelby going?
With you.
Shelby staying down here.
It's right there.
Goodies.
You got your goodies, Samantha?
Sorting them out now.
Samantha's got the
Did
sweets.
you get my gummy worms? Oh, yeah. Okay, good.
Right then. Let's get settled in.
Layla, why have you bought a brush?
For in the morning.
I've got one.
Oh, okay.
Who are our favourite YouTubers then, Layla? Shall we have a look?
Oh, we've watched them all.
We've watched them all.
So,
We've caught up.
we need to change channels.
What we're going to watch then, Layla?
This day.
Yes Day.
Mm-hmm.
Is that a film?
Yeah.
What's it about?
The parents say yes to everything the kids want to for a day.
Oh, okay.
Which we will not be doing.
Okay. What's Sammy doing?
Making the popcorn.
Making popcorn.
Yep, she's doing the syrup.
Okie dokie. Got your popcorn, Layla?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Have any game of cards, are we, Layla?
Yeah.
Are you winning?
Nope. No.
What are you playing?
Go fish.
Go fish.
Yeah.
What do you have to do?
You have to make sets of, like, yeah, of the same.
4 of the same card. Same
Yeah.
suit.
Yeah.
No,
No,
4 of
it's
the
the
same
same
card.
Card.
So 4 jacks, 4 tens,
Ah.
4 ones, 4 twos.
Good luck then.
Right, my go. Tens, please. Give me your cards. Any
Weirdo.
7s?
Time for bed then, Layla, yeah?
Mhm.
Alright. So what? See you in the morning, yeah?
Mhm.
Okay. Sweet dreams.
Night.
Morning, Layla. How was your... Oh my God. How was your morning? How was your evening? How was your night's sleep?
Good.
Was it a good night's sleep, was
Lie
it?
down then, Shelby.
Did you enjoy it?
Sit down.
I think Shelby wanted you in the night. She was very fidgety. That's for sure.
Right, she was. Sammy's had a shit night's sleep.
What are you doing up there? What are you doing up there? Time for breakfast in a minute, is it?
Yeah.
RV breakfast. Okay. So you had a nice night's sleep in the motorhome on the front garden.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to do it again?
Yeah.
This time though, shall we go somewhere else? See if we can get Shelby a little bit more settled, can't we? Okay, so next time then we'll go on a campsite somewhere, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, you looking forward to that?
Yeah.
Okay, say goodbye to everyone.
Bye.